Columbus, Ohio. This is the Get Business Credit YouTube channel with your host, Josh Van Horn. Subscribe now and hit the bell notification right now to stay up to date as soon as we release new business credit gems. Take it over, Josh.
Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. In this video, I'm doing a little update for those that didn't see a video that I put out about 2 weeks ago, and that's a new business gas card. It's a Visa. It's a really good card because there's no fees at all, and it's a new fintech company, and that is the RoadFlex. That's right, the RoadFlex Business Visa, actual Visa, so you're not limited on anything. We've already had about 800 people get approved. I put that video out about 2 weeks ago, right when RoadFlex launched, and I'm working on getting one of the executives and founders of RoadFlex on our channel to do an interview, hopefully in the coming weeks. They're just so swamped right now, but yeah, I'm happy to say we're shooting near 1,000 applicants that applied and got approved. So I'll have the link in the description below where you can sign up. Use my link. I appreciate it. It supports the channel. If you didn't catch the original video that I put out about RoadFlex about 2 weeks ago, the link will be in the description below to watch that video if you want to check out that video. It's more in-depth video. But anyways, real quick, I just want to give you guys a quick update about it. You might have already got the card. If you didn't get the card, you got approved. I know some of you guys have said you got approved and you still haven't got the cards yet. And it's been like, 10 days or 7 days. Just be patient. I think it's because the overwhelming response that we've got, they're backed up. So just be patient. Those cards should come to you as long as you got approved. So real quick to the requirements. They're not strict at all. They don't check your personal credit. It's no personal guarantee. There's no fees whatsoever. No monthly fees for like a per card or anything like that. It can be used anywhere Visa is accepted, not just for gas, but it can be used for fuel maintenance, rentals, business insurance, anything related to automobile, trucking, repairs, parts, AutoZone, anything like that. And there's a whole list. They open kind of the door, say like A to B. It's limited, but this one, they've opened it up quite a bit so you can actually charge more than other gas cards, okay? So they're going to be reporting to Experian Business Credit. You really don't need business credit because they don't check your business credit either. The only thing you need is to have a business bank account attached to it at the time of signing up. And a few other people said they used their personal checking account and got approved too. I can't confirm that firsthand, but I can confirm that they're not checking any personal credit or business credit or anything like that. To qualify, you just need to connect your business bank account. Don't be, greedy about the credit limit because they'll ask you how much you're going to spend per week. Don't put crazy amounts starting off, especially if you're a new business. So if you're a new business and say you're not in the trucking business and you just have a Toro or something, and you can only use a couple $100 a week in gas, put $500 or whatever, because that's going to increase your chances for instant approval. If you put a very high amount, it's going to have to go through manual underwriting review, and you may not get that instant approval. Just keep that in mind. But if you're a trucking company and you need the gas, and you've been in business for a couple months and you can show that on your statements and stuff on connecting your business bank account, you can put 5,000 or 10,000, whatever you need. So it is a net 7 days. That's what they start everybody off at, net 7 days. So they're going to draw once a week. They do give you cash back here. I'm going to check in my account here real quick so I can give you an idea. We haven't done much, but like $77, 2 transactions, and the cash back is like 40 cents. It's not much, but it all adds up, especially if you're doing a lot of fuel. So yeah, it's, that simple. And I know it's a new company, and a lot of you guys are saying they don't have a phone number, nobody's answering. All these fintech companies, they don't have support. They don't have 100 employees, So You can email them. Their email's on their website. It's support@roadflex.com. Keep in mind that you really have no risk with it. It's all connected with an encrypted plaid platform, so it's pretty straightforward. After you build up payments with them of that net 7 days, over history, it could be like 6 weeks. You could request 6 weeks or 8 weeks. You could request for net 14 and so forth. It's all about building that relationship up and that trust. So you need to get on this card because honestly, you guys know, I have pretty much every possible gas card you can get out there, and I know all the underwriters. And I can tell you, this is by far the most flexible gas card on the market right now for trucking companies or any type of business. As long as you're going to use it, don't sign up for it if you're not going to use the gas, because you're wasting their time. It's not going to do you any good, and it's not even going to report to any business credit bureaus if you're not using it. So use it. Business insurance you can even put on it. So yeah, that's just kind of, I want to give you guys an update. That's all there is to it. So just hit the link below, sign up. You can get approved pretty quick. It's easy. All right. So with all that being said, if you guys have any comments at all or questions further, please comment in the comment section below, because Bradley over at RoadFlex, he's been monitoring the last video, and we talk quite frequently, and we want to answer any of these questions that you guys may have. Like I said, I hope to have them on here soon to explain more about RoadFlex. But yeah, sign up. There's no reason not to. It's no credit check, no personal guarantee, net 7 days. It's not bad. All right. Plus you earn rewards on it, cash back. All right. Until next time, you guys take care, and I appreciate you guys tuning in for this update. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I appreciate it. And I have several other videos coming up in March and April that you don't want to miss. Make sure that notification bell is turned on. Smash the thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. And share this video with your friends, family, Facebook, whatever. It helps the channel. All right. You guys take care. Until next time. Bye-bye.